What's up guys, I'm Len here. Today in this video I'm gonna talk about Moto G4 Plus. As you can see, this is the device in my hand. There's a Moto G4 Plus, and right now Moto G4 Plus is receiving a December security patch update. So it's been so many days that Motorola's Moto G4 Plus has received any updates. So right now it's receiving the update for the December security patch. As you can see, it's 36.2 MB of update, and it's a month of January and it's still receiving the patch update for the month of December. I don't know why. Right now it's running on Android 7.0, as you can see, and there it's mentioned that the Android security patch level is September 1. So it's been so many days that Motorola have been ignoring this Moto G4 Plus 2016 device. I don't know why. So right now it's I got the update. It was 36 MB. As you can see, it says I have already completed updating the device. Now I have to restart the phone. It says install the system update. New system software is download and ready to install. So let me just click on that. As you can see, it says the installation time is 10 minutes and it's the new version is NPJ725931413. So let me just click on install. So it will restart my phone in 10 seconds. This is a Moto G4 Plus. I don't know Moto G4 Plus will get the Oreo update or not, but it is supposed to get the Android Oreo update in coming months. So I'm not sure but when it will get the Android Oreo update, but still good to see that Motorola has been pushing out updates for the Moto G4 Plus. Already Motorola has confirmed the Android Oreo update for some of the other devices like Moto X4 and all, but Moto G4 Plus, I'm not sure whether it will get the Android Oreo updates or not, but several videos on YouTube says yup, Motorola Moto G4 Plus will get the Android Oreo update, but as of now nothing has been confirmed. When it will get the Android Oreo update. Still good to see that at least some of the security patches we are getting on this Moto G4 Plus. As you can see, it says installing the system update, so it will take some time. This is just installing the update. And regarding the phone itself, the phone has been holding up good. I've taken a Xiaomi Mi A1. I'm currently using Mi A1 to record this video, and this video has been recorded by the Mi A1, and this is a 4K footage that you guys are seeing right now. So as of now this device is holding pretty good. The camera and all, the stock Android, still it's quite good, no issues at all. So I don't use this device anymore. I just use it to record some of the videos that I showed, but as of now this device is okay. I was worried so many days it's not been receiving any updates, being a stock Android device even. So just this morning I got the update, so I just want to show you guys that Moto G4 Plus at least in the new year has received some updates. So anyway, it's not the January security patch level update that we are getting on Moto G4 Plus. It's still the December one. Still good to see that we're getting some kind of update on this device. So as you can see, as of now also it's installing the system update. So let me come back to you guys once this is done. So yeah, so I've just completed the update and now the phone is restarted. As you can see, let me show you guys. This is the December 1 security patch update. Let me go to the settings. As you can see, still it's Android 7.0. No doubts regarding that, but as you can see, it's Android security patch level. It's showing December 1 2017. So at least as you can see, also we got the message that update is complete and your Moto G4 Plus has been updated to this newer version. So let me hit OK. So as you can see, this is the newest security patch version which has been pushed out by Motorola just this morning. I got this on my Moto G4 Plus. So this was just a short video showing you guys I got an update on my Moto G4 Plus which was pending for so many days. So if you like the video, you can give this video a thumbs up, and also till now if you're not subscribed to my channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you subscribe. Then again, that's it for this video. Thanks all of you for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye bye.